Hello, mukbangers. Are you ready to rock and
roll?
Let's do it. This is Cushy. I'm Ahmad. That's a Modelo. And Ghost is over there on the floor. We are
The
food heroes. We have here for you some fried salmon, some soup, and
Crunchy fried salmon.
Crunchy fried salmon. Veggies with garlic and watermelon. What's in the soup? Fish head?
So this is a fish head soup. It's very healthy and very yummy.
I'm gonna show it to you. Try to show it to you without spilling it all over my foot and Cushy's too. Because it's hot.
Fish head soup.
Fish head soup. Fish.
And if you need more salt, you can grab it from here.
All right. So we're gonna commence the festivities with a regular drink.
Let me serve the drinks today.
You wanna serve the drinks?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a michelada especial.
Michi out of the can.
Ahmad introduced me to this drink, and this is delicious. It's like drinking salad.
Whatever that tastes like. But okay, it's savory and satisfying. I think that's the translation that she was looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these Michis are not. They don't taste like the traditional micheladas that you get from the restaurants with the tahini and the clemate and
Cheers,
salt
guys.
and your choice of beer.
Oh.
But it does a trick.
It's a savory drink, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's dig in. Of course, we have rice.
I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I'll leave it there. Okay. So on her side of the table, she has the watermelon. I wanna grab one. I know this is dessert, but sometimes I like my sweets first.
Soup is delicious, guys.
Bouncy watermelon. You can call it Michael Jordan, Kobe, Steph Curry, bouncy, sweet.
Alright, and I'm gonna try for a
The
cucumber.
reason I say bouncy is because when you pick it out and you hit it, if it feels bouncy, then that's the one.
Cucumber and salt.
Watermelon and rice.
No, don't do that.
I'll try that at home. I was just being silly. I got a little watermelon juice in the rice, so I'm gonna take it off the top. And then I'm gonna top this off with some soup to help down the rice and give the rice a little flavor. Oh, that's great.
Good? This is so refreshing and light for summertime, guys.
Yeah, the base tastes amazing.
Salmon was on sale at Lotte.
So that's a piece of the head right there. Spine in there.
So we have two-way salmon today. Head and the tail in the soup. This is body. I'm gonna sprinkle the lime juice, okay?
Where's the graveyard? Where's the graveyard at for the bones? Do we have a graveyard? Just
wizardry?
put it on the table. No.
Okay.
No tricks. No magic.
No magic today. Okay.
No magic right now. We magic later.
Whoa.
She's we are the food heroes, and we all know superheroes have mystical powers. So for those of you that don't know, we are the pioneers of the school of mukbang wizardry. So we disappear and appear at a moment's notice With new food in our hand, we can appear and reappear at a moment's notice. We do some, we save food. We get frugal in the grocery store, baby. Yeah.
Frugal.
I just hit a hot pepper.
We're just smart. But yeah, I was gonna guys do the salmon 3-way, but then I decided it's too much. So it's only 2-way salmon today in a soup and deep fried.
What's the third way?
Third way I was gonna bake it. You okay?
They say when you get hiccups, it means you're like really hungry.
Okay. That's salmon in a soup.
I don't know why I'm hiding the food from you guys. Soup and rice.
Sorry, Ahmad. I'm not meaning to put my elbow in you. Garlic and salt, raw garlic. Hey babe, I'm gonna put it for you here.
Salt and onions. Green onions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is good.
Watch this.
Garlic and soup is delicious.
Salt. I'm gonna put it in the soup. Then I'm going to eat it in a combination with some carrots and potatoes. And let it bite.
It's so
Garlic
good.
is like a shark in a fish tank. It bites, but it's good for you. It will clear you out. Hey, and I want to give a big shout out to D
Hi D.
and
Big shout out
ASMR, ASMR Ola,
Hola ASMR.
Ola ASMR, and you guys are super dedicated. You guys are out there doing it, doing your mukbangs too. We appreciate the support, and we're here to support you guys too. So D and Ola ASMR.
Yes, thank you guys. Thank you for commenting and watching us and eating with us together. And I also want to give shout out to my friend Omida. Yeah.
Omida, you're doing your thing.
She watches our videos and she gets angry because she's not in a position to eat a lot of foods right now. She's on diet, but she supports. She watches and she only can watch for 2 to 3 minutes and then she gets angry and hungry. So that's a great compliment to us. But we'll eat together soon, girl.
As soon as you get to the States,
Yep.
you'll be in the videos with us. We're gonna spoil you with a lot of good food and cooking.
Oh, she's such a good cook. She will spoil us.
Oh, well, vice
You'll
versa.
see. She'll spoil you, Ahmad.
Okay, good. I also want to give a huge thanks to all of the new followers.
Yeah, thank you guys. Welcome.
We just had a big number of followers hop on. Welcome to the channel, and appreciate you guys joining us. Hopefully you'll enjoy our adventures and our shenanigans and our crazy sense of humor and nonsense talk with food.
And you'll appreciate our appetite.
I think we're the most talkative mukbangers there are. I believe so. We do have a big appetite. And all you guys in the Philippines that just watched our recent video, you guys are awesome
Whoop,
too.
whoop.
Filipino. Yeah. And my cousin Sorrel. Thanks for subscribing today, brother.
Thank you.
Because you're too tall. You're a gargantuan in comparison to the rest of the average world. You're giant. Brother Nipsey. That's an inside joke. All right. Let's see what we got. This goes to the graveyard. R.I.P. Are you done with your bowl?
Almost.
I'm gonna stack it.
Uh-huh.
Put your bowl in there. Check this out.
Get this one, the smaller one.
Look at that. Watch it. Drip. Look at all the drip, baby. Drip. Watch the drip. Watch the drip. Watch the drip. Ooh, watch the drip. Watch the drip. Watch the drip. Ooh, don't you slip. Don't you slip. Don't you slip. Do-wee-wee-oo. 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 Everywhere I go, I got fish and stuff. Salmon on my neck, I got fish and cuffs. Everywhere I go, I get eat it up. Yeah. Ooh, watch the drip, watch the drip, watch the drip. Don't let it slip, don't let it slip. I'm tearing this song to pieces. I know, anyway.
Take the middle one, babe.
What's that?
Take the middle fish.
The middle one, you
It's
think?
smaller, it's very crunchy. But it's funny.
I'll just take this corner. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, yeah.
It's yummy?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Very good. Very good. Okie dokie talk pokey. You want to taste? Boop.
Crunchy, huh?
Crunchy.
So good, guys.
It's crunch time. Everybody get down with the crunch. Yeah. Dugga 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 dugga.
You guys, Ahmad is full of energy. I made him do yoga today.
Woohoo!
You guys want to see?
Check this out.
Weight on the heels and balls on your feet. Slide your shoulder blades down. Make one step forward. Interlace your palms on top. And make one step forward with your left foot. Shift weight. Use your core to fold. Point. Push. And point. Reach arms higher, man. Point. Suck your stomach in. Come back to standing as a straight line.
And that was me learning how to fly. I haven't got off both feet yet. I still had to do the 1 foot thingy. So
the lifeguard was giving us hard time. They didn't want us to
do
work
yoga.
out, do
No, it
yoga
wasn't a
there.
workout, it was just yoga.
But it's a workout.
It was a workout, but it wasn't like a full out with weights and crap like
Yeah.
he was making it sound like.
But after we were done,
Everybody was
doing
so
yoga?
entertained.
Ahmad was approached by a lady and complimented.
Several ladies.
Yeah, she was literally telling him that he had 3 spectators watching his beautiful body doing yoga.
Those old things. Oh, don't. You shouldn't have.
And he stuttered.
Did I stutter?
Yeah, like he didn't know what to tell them.
She told me how to do it.
But they didn't want to hear anything about me. They
Yeah.
just wanted to talk to him about
That's
his
all.
beautiful body.
Yeah. But we put on a show apparently, so she's like my manager now. So apparently I do yoga videos by the pool in the complex for entertainment, and the lifeguards were hating.
Let us know, guys, in the comments if you want Ahmad to continue doing yoga
I will
by
not.
the pool
I will not.
or not.
I will not. Keep subjecting me to this.
If you comment enough, I'll put him in a weird and funny looking pose.
No, you will not.
Yes.
Keep subjecting
Come
me
on.
to this freaking yoga fame.
It's good for you. Yoga is very, very good for you.
Yeah.
Cheers. For your new yoga adventures.
No, cheers to more mukbang. I can do yoga in my free time.
All right. I'm gonna separate from Ahmad and get a new piece of this beautiful crunchy fish. So good.
You want to dance?
You know, guys, some people don't eat skin of the fish, and I don't know why.
Want to
I'm
dance?
on.
Want to dance?
No, I want to eat.
Dance, move your shoulders.
No, I'm gonna move my mouth and my
You haven't
fish.
sang in a while. You just, it's good. It's so good. It's so good.
So good.
If it's like really good, she'll sing, but she hasn't sung in a while.
I like it. It's really good. Why aren't you singing?
Where's your song? Because you sing, you're the singer. Do it.
I'm busy. I'm eating, babe.
Sing.
So yummy.
There it is.
This is delicious.
Split.
Fried fish, raw onion, green onion, and garlic are like designed to be together. And rice. And drink. And soup.
And fish bones.
No, fish bones are not designed to be together with.
But they're part of the equation.
Yeah. Seriously, guys, let us know in the comments if you want Ahmad to continue doing yoga.
I will do yoga, but I won't be providing any video footage. That's too much.
No.
I'll do it for my health.
We'll see. Just comment and we'll see.
Leave in the comments if you want Kush to do a celebration dance after every good bite that she takes. Some savory food.
This is so good.
Chip some watermelon too.
Go for it.
You guys are new to the channel also. We had a watermelon challenge like months ago.
That gone wrong.
Yeah, it was like supposed to be a challenge
bad.
and this is like watermelon challenge gone wrong. It's actually pretty hilarious. So if you check that out, it's worth your while. Sorry, I almost choked. Hey.
Drink and food.
What's this drink?
This is drink.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
But I gotta say, Ahmad is a good student when it comes to yoga.
Yeah, but not math. We've been doing Sudoku puzzles for like the past week, and we played one Sudoku game called Killer Sudoku, and it literally killed us. Like we tried it for like 30 minutes and it put us to sleep. We got one puzzle and it was a 6 sequence, and then we did the 9 sequence and it was the challenge of the day, and that one took us out for like 2 hours afterwards. Like it literally put us to sleep. I forgot everything that we were supposed to do for the rest of the day. So screw you, Killer Sudoku. We will be back for more.
No, but like we went for a 2-hour walk on a hot day trail.
I still argue that it was a Sudoku puzzle that took us out.
Give me a glass, baby.
The trail wasn't so bad. It was hot and sweaty, but we were fine. And then we did that puzzle and it was just like, brain check. Both our brains checked out.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Well, it was like a very fun and active weekend for us. I liked it.
Yeah.
Even though we were put asleep by Sudoku.
A freaking puzzle took us out. Can you believe that?
I think we're getting old.
Nah.
Our brain is just like, ugh.
I mean, a lot of people, it's challenging to a lot of people. You know, we did pretty well, I believe, for the first time.
I guess.
Anyways, so if you guys like the video, please don't forget that there's always an option to hit that like button. And then if you like the video, you should probably go ahead and share it. And if you want to get notifications of when we post our next video, you can subscribe. No pressure, just saying. And you get to see more food like this, and this, and this, and this, and that, and Mitchie's. So, once again, thank you for joining us. This is Cushy. That's a Mitchie. I'm Ahmad. And there's Ghost. And we are the food heroes. There you go.
Pedo.